Imagine this scenario. You are deep into a complex project. You open your IDE, ask your AI agent to fix a routing bug that spans across the front end and back end, and you step back. The AI confidently starts typing. It hallucinates a module that does not exist, modifies the completely wrong file, and suddenly you have spent the last 20 minutes, and hundreds of API tokens, just trying to explain your own architecture to a machine. We have all been there. The tech industry has convinced developers that the solution is to simply shove your entire codebase into a massive 1 million token context window, or build a complex vector-based RAG pipeline. Both of those approaches are highly inefficient, prone to hallucinations, and financially unsustainable at scale. A few weeks ago, Andrej Karpathy published his viral LLM WIKI concept, arguing that AI needs to mathematically compile knowledge rather than blindly read raw data on the fly. Today, I am going to show you the practical engineering realization of that theory. An open source tool called Graphify was just released, and it has rapidly crossed 33,000 stars on GitHub because it fundamentally solves this problem. It turns chaotic project folders into mathematically precise, queryable knowledge graphs. Welcome back to Everyday AI School, where we cut the fluff and pack every second with value. I will walk you through the exact, frictionless process of integrating it directly into Google's antigravity IDE, or any other agentic environment you use. By the end of this video, your autonomous agents will stop hallucinating your architecture, and your API costs will drop significantly. Let's get to work. To understand why senior engineers are rapidly adopting this pattern, you must understand why standard RAG fails at software engineering. Standard RAG relies on vector databases. It chops your code into fragments and groups them by semantic similarity, meaning it groups things that sound the same. But in software architecture, things that sound the same are rarely related. A front-end React component and a back-end database schema do not look or sound similar, but they are critically connected. Graphify solves this by completely abandoning vector search. Instead, it uses a highly disciplined, 3-pass architecture to map actual physical relationships. Pass 1 is deterministic extraction. This is where the vast majority of AI tools fail. Graphify does not send your code to an LLM. Instead, it uses a local, rule-based parser called tree sitter. It scans your Python, TypeScript, Go, or Rust files entirely offline. It instantly maps every function, class, and call graph dependency. Because this runs locally, it is completely free, your sensitive proprietary code never leaves your machine, and the relationships are tagged as absolute mathematical facts, not AI guesses. Pass 2 handles your human context. If you have architecture diagrams, recorded developer stand-up meetings, or video walkthroughs in your project folder, Graphify uses a highly optimized, local whisper model to transcribe them. It caches the text and injects your meeting notes directly into the knowledge graph as documented nodes, without uploading your private discussions to a cloud server. Pass 3 is the semantic extraction. This is the only time Graphify reaches out to the cloud. It uses your locally configured API key, like Anthropic or OpenAI, to read your markdown files and PDFs. Parallel subagents extract the core concepts and design rationales, linking them back to the hard code it mapped in Pass 1. Once Graphify extracts all these nodes, it runs a graph topology algorithm called Leiden community clustering. It groups files based on edge density, how they actually interact with each other in your system, not how they are spelled. This means when you ask your AI agent a question, it navigates the exact logical structure of your codebase. It traces a path from a UI button down to the API route and straight to the PDF documentation explaining why that route was built. By querying this compiled graph instead of reading raw files, developers are reporting up to a 70x reduction in token usage. Now let's talk about implementation. We're going to do this live inside the Antigravity IDE, which is a powerful agent-first environment. First, I am opening my terminal. To give Graphify a real enterprise-grade challenge, I am going to clone a deeply complex repository. We are using Andrej Karpathy's NanoGPT. I just run a standard git clone to pull the raw, unstructured codebase directly down to my local Mac Mini. Next, I am navigating into that new directory. We want an absolutely pristine workspace, so I am creating an isolated Python virtual environment and activating it. This ensures our core system remains untouched. Now comes the critical step, installing the engine. We simply run pip install upgrade Graphify, Make sure you note that double Y at the end. Right now, the terminal is pulling down the core engine and its local parsing dependencies. It is not sending your code to the cloud. It is building the brain locally on your hardware. Once that finishes, we need to wire Graphify directly into our AI agent's nervous system. We do this by running one single powerful command: Graphify antigravity install. This automatically configures the model context protocol. It gives our IDE's agent native, autonomous tool calling access to the Graphify engine. Let's put it to the test. I am opening up the Agent Manager side panel here on the right. Instead of writing a massive, desperate prompt begging the AI to read my files, I simply type the command /Graphify and hit enter. Watch the agent's thought process right now. It instantly recognizes the tool. It reads the local skill instructions and autonomously triggers the knowledge graph compilation. Look down at the terminal. You can see the engine springing to life. It is exploring the files, extracting the abstract syntax trees, and running the complex Leiden community clustering algorithms. All completely offline, securing your proprietary code. In just a few seconds, the compilation is finished. Graphify has generated a dedicated output directory. Let's open the graph_markout markdown file. This is your master map. It has mathematically identified community hubs, the logical groupings of your code, and the God nodes, the highly connected files that silently dictate your entire architecture. It even generates suggested questions based on the structural anomalies it found. But to truly grasp the unfair advantage you just gained, let's open the HTML file in our browser. Look at this. This is your raw codebase transformed into a fully interactive, mathematically precise visual network. You can literally see the gravitational pull of the core models and exactly how the training loops connect to them. The AI didn't guess this architecture, it calculated it. Now let's go back to the IDE and reap the absolute rewards of this system. I'm going to ask the agent a massive, high-level question. Explain the whole nano-GPT and why it is fast. Look at how fast and confident this response is. The agent doesn't have to blindly scrape dozens of messy files and hallucinate the context. It traverses the compiled knowledge graph we just built, instantly locates the highly connected performance nodes, and outputs a flawless, deeply technical architectural breakdown. It understands the system perfectly on the very first try, with zero hallucinations. And we just dropped our token usage by an order of magnitude. This is how you stop fighting with AI and start building at scale.